Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize shape in your Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here open any blank document. At first, if I create a shape, you have to just click on Insert tab and then click on Shapes option. From here you can make any kind of shape as you like. If I select this shape, and you can see the shape has been created successfully. Now if you want to customize this shape, you have to just select it and then click on Shape Format tab, and that's it. Now from here you can customize your shape. Here you can see so many options. From here you can change your shape style. Also from here you can change your shape color, and from here you can add shape outline. And that way you can customize anything as you like. Suppose if you want to change your shape style, just click here and then choose any shape style, and that's it. And that is how you can customize shape on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.